So big news came out for Beyond Meat, but it might be not official news. Of course, it's pretty decent if this was true, but not official news by the company. So Barron pushed out an article, and usually when you look at a Barron's article, they usually has please subscribe to our Barron's articles. So I didn't sign in. I'm not part of it, but yet they let me have access to this article. Why? Because I think they want money to be pushed into Beyond Meat to push the stock price back up. But that is my opinion, because when I went to the Beyond website, the Beyond Meat website, just to make sure if it's real news, there's nothing on it. There's nothing on China, a deal with China. I've already covered this with people I've already covered this in a video that's saying that Beyond Meat is partnering up with KFC, but it's not official news. It's kind of like on the downside quiet, so maybe Barron's got access to more information, or maybe this is an article to prop the stock price up. I have no idea at the end of the day, but it did boost stock price up. Alright, this article came out and Beyond Meat shot up 16.18%, and then after hours is up another 31 cents. So is this real news? I don't know at the end of the day. Maybe it could be real news that only Barron's got access to because they do their research. But it also feels like they're pushing this article out to prop the stock price up. I have no idea at the end of the day. I do not have a position with Beyond Meat. I sold it because it was looking like it was downtrending. But at the end of the day, rich people will pump this up or try to, there's bulls and bears everywhere in Beyond Meat. I hope that Beyond Meat has a correction. If Beyond Meat goes back to $100, I'd probably dip my toes back in. But for now, there's better investments out there, I think, in my opinion, than Beyond Meat. And I needed to rebalance my portfolio because I put a big chunk of money into Aurora, which I'm losing money on now. Doesn't make me happy. I could have sold out at a profit and re-entered today at a better price, but I didn't. So it sucks, but that's my reality right now. Like GameStop, I seriously think that GameStop is extremely undervalued, and when the stock price was declining near the end of the day, I took advantage of the decline and I bought more shares and I bought some more call options. I bought 10 call options at $4. If it keeps going down, I'll buy some more call options at $3.50. Because if GameStop recovers and if they pay their dividends back again, that is an insane amount of dividends. If they paid $65 million of dividends, that is $1 per share in that one quarter. And that, so if you own 1,000 shares, that would be $1,000 of dividends. If you own 3,000 shares, that's $3,000 of dividends in one quarter. That is pretty awesome to own, especially with the stock price being down this low. And it could potentially have a big short squeeze to the upside. So I am very optimistic at GameStop. I think GameStop could go up higher, but maybe the shorts are onto something and the stock will decline. Grubhub, I was saying how I was looking at to buy more, and then Grubhub came with some news regarding the deal with Uber, and the stock price propped up 7.47%. So if it goes back down to $52 or even $50, I would be a buyer. But right now the trend looks like it's starting to reverse. It was downtrending, but it looks like it's starting to reverse. So if it dips back to like $53, $54, I'm definitely gonna be a buyer. Maybe with call options and not so much as not so many stock, but I might buy some with actual real money. Real stocks. Canopy Growth, I don't know how low Canopy will go, but if Canopy goes back to around, for 15 to 16 US dollars, I'd be a buyer of Canopy. I would gamble that Canopy would do the same thing again next earnings report. Either it'll go up massively before the end of earnings report. Again, at the end of the day, Canopy could go all the way down to 10 US dollars. But, that would just make it a big buying opportunity. Right now, it could go back up. It could bounce really hard right now, or it can continue to fall down to around 15 US dollars. At 15 US dollars, I would dip my toe back into Canopy, but right now, I'm probably gonna stay away from it. And if it bounces really hard, I'd probably buy some put options against it. But, this is my own game plan, and, not financial advice. Kronos is, if Canopy keeps going down, Kronos will get dragged. Same with Aurora. Aurora will get dragged down with Canopy. But I do have something to share, over the weekend for, something interesting anyway. So, Tilray is up a penny. Afria, it will get dragged down with the market, with Canopy and Aurora, and Tilray will get dragged down with the market too. Well, it depends on the rich investors. If the rich investors want Tilray to do the opposite of the market, they will make it do the opposite of the market, because at the end of the day, Tilray is controlled by, I believe, really wealthy investors, because they're the only ones that can really move Tilray stock around. So, Organigram is down 2 cents. But somebody wanted me to make a video on Organigram. I might. We'll see we'll see over the weekends if I feel motivated enough for it. By the way, if you want me to do an Organigram video, give me 100 thumbs up for this video, and I definitely will do an Organigram video. Maybe I'll do an Organigram and Hexo video, so give me that 100 thumbs up if you want it, if you're actually still watching in the middle of this. Medman today pulled back, kind of figured. Medman is getting close to that buying range I want, which is 20 cents. That's where I will be making a position in Medman to gamble that rich people will come back and pump Medman stock back up again. It may continue to go down further. We might see it go all the way down to, 10 cents. If it goes to 10 cents, I'm buying more. I'm gambling that rich people will pump the stock back up again, and I will make a lot of money on that ride up. But again, I don't know what Medman will do. We'll see. Harvest Health had a pullback today, not as bad as Canopy Growth. Nordic American Tankers down 4 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. True Eve is down 38 cents. TK Tankers is neutral. Luckin Coffee is trading volatile after hours. IQ stock is down 9 cents. I'm if I was owning a Chinese US company like Alibaba, IQ, or Luckin, I'd be really worried. Donald Trump is not too happy with China right now, and he's basically at war with China. They're saying that he wants to cut his ties with China. That's insane. If that happens, that would be like mind-blowing, insane if Donald Trump actually cuts ties with China, and all the companies will have to flee China and go to the United States if they want to do business. That would be insane if that happened. But will it happen? I don't know. Well, that would be history if that happened. But I don't know. IQ and Luckin would probably get delisted, and yeah, it would not be good. Hertz Equipment probably gonna go bankrupt. Who knows? We'll see. Could gamble it down here, but I'm not gonna gamble on Hertz. Neo could be a really good short right now, in my opinion. Tesla, if that happened, Tesla stock would crash real hard because they rely heavily on China as a manufacturer, and without China, I think Tesla stock would crash real hard. Especially the United States is literally abandoning China. You know, it could happen. I don't know. At the end of the day, we'll see. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates. And have a great day. Bye.